Hey guys, this is Jennifer with another quick Swagbucks tutorial. Now I'm here on the review, which can be found on under the Discover tab in your offer walls. Now I wanted to mention that these usually offer 1 cent for clicking on it, but now to review you can get up to 2 quick cents per click, so that's pretty cool. So all I do is click on here and I click out. So this is a really quick and easy way to make Swagbucks, and as you all probably know, this is one of my favorite ways to earn quick Swagbucks. There it goes. Now some of these aren't working as you guys saw, but yeah, some of them are. So just clicking away and see which ones work and which ones don't. See if that one loads. There it is. So there you go, you guys. This is a quick, easy way to be earning 2 cents for every single click, which is to me an awesome way to earn Swagbucks. Thank you for watching my video, and if you want to join Swagbucks, make sure to click on the link below this video. Take care.